So I'm just going to give this a bit of a light polish, and to do that I've got these soft mops and I've got my Solvol Autosol, and I'm just going to use the mops as far as I can to polish this up, although it's an awkward shape. So I'm just going to put some Solvol on the mop. Although it might be better to put it on the actual casing itself. Just going to slap a bit on there. Do, and then you see that I'm just going to use the drill, preferably on high speed. Difficult getting those bits. Anyway, so just after a very short space of time, we've already got a pretty good shine. The problem is with this, it's obviously it's getting into all those nooks and crannies. That's going to be the problem. But we'll have a go. We'll do the best we can. I've got a bit of a pointy one. Might do it. I'll try with a pointy one. Not used it before. And there we go. That's not bad. That's not bad. That'll do us. The end cap is partially going to be covered by the starter motor cover anyway. But yeah, so just a bit of Solvol Autosol and a couple of soft mops in the drill, and done. And just finished up with a bit of a cloth. Obviously, this housing has had quite a life. Big chunks out of it all over the place, but I think that'll do us really That'll do us really nicely, yeah. Okay, so now we're going to put the end cap back on, and again we've got a little notch there out of the circle, a little like square notch, and that lines up with the where the wire goes in. There, lines up with this insulator here. Okay, so it only goes on one way. So line the notch up with the insulator. Make sure the wires are inside. We've got that one. I've put some tape around that one that was damaged. And there we go. No, I'm not happy with that. Seems to be still sitting on that wire that was. We put the insulation on. I don't want it to sit on the wire. It should sit inside the wire. Same, I think, for that earth wire. That should be better. Yeah, that's the one. It's actually in now. Good. So that's done. I'll give a very little bit of a wire brush on those screw heads. And apart from that boot, that's the starter motor done. I'll connect it up to the battery again and just check it's all working. You always do that, no matter what. Yeah, we're all sorted. Just got that end nicely polished up. I'll connect it up now, and we'll just give it another quick whiz to check it's okay, and should be done. Okay, I've connected it back up again. So let's see if we still got a nice working starter motor. And again, even though it sounded good before, it sounds a lot even better now. Really nice and smooth. Just a bit of grease basically has done that, and also of course the commutator, just the general servicing. That's meant that we're okay. So pleased with that. And I'm thinking what I'm going to do with this this wire, I'm going to replace this wire completely, because as we said, it's a bit thin anyway, needs a new boot, so I might as well it's only a short, it's not going to cost much, so I'll replace it with a whole new wire, and that'll have a new boot on it, and so we should be sorted. Okay, so starter motor, apart from that wire, which I'm going to replace. So starter motor done, big tick, very happy, thumbs up.